Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you sensor of pressure of turbine. So here you can see it, so it's sensor of turbine. It has pressure, it makes pressure for our turbine, and also if it doesn't work your turbine doesn't work too. So you won't see when you just make your uh, engine works higher, you won't hear some sound of turbine, and it will doesn't work. So just find here, it was here in this place, the sensor of valve valve of pressure of turbine. So also you need to uh, just get into this sensor and just make sure all components are good, and just fix it when where it doesn't work. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.